Today, we're going to talk about how you can earn TPT credits without purchasing more items. So let's go ahead and get started. The first thing that you're going to need to do is to navigate to TeachersPayTeachers.com. Once you're there, in the upper left-hand corner, you'll see their logo, Teacher Pay Teachers, and this just takes you to the home screen. Then they have their search bar. If you look in the upper right-hand corner, you'll see your profile picture. You're going to want to go ahead and select your profile picture. Once you select it, you'll be able to navigate down to My Purchases, and you'll click on that. Once you're there, you'll be able to see some different purchases that you have made. It's going to include paid and free downloads. Click Price and then Paid Purchases. Once you're on the paid purchases, it will only bring up things that you've paid for, like this wonderful clip art set. Here where it says leave a review in blue, it's showing me that I have not left a review yet for this particular resource. I'll click leave a review. Once I've left a review, then I can be able to see how different reviews have been left. I can scroll up to see some different things that tell me about what's in this product. Click the green Leave a Review button. Once you're here, it's going to ask, what did you use this resource for? You'll have the options of distance learning with my students, and that's going to be for virtual teachers. Next, it will give you the option of in-class learning with my students, and that is for in-person instruction. Third, it's going to ask, are you doing at-home learning with your child? This is going to be for homeschool parents. Did you use it for your own purchases, such as decorating the classroom or as a teacher author? Other would fall under any other category that you can think of that you use the resource for. We're going to click in-person instruction. Next, it's going to ask about your students. Which grades did you use this resource with? You're going to click whatever applies to you in this particular instance. Next, it says, if you use this resource primarily with students with specific needs, please select which groups best reflect your students. And this is optional. It says students with learning difficulties, students with mild to severe disabilities, students on the autism spectrum, students that are emerging bilinguals. Next, it's going to ask you about your overall experience. How satisfied were you with this resource? If you really liked it, you'll hit extremely. If it didn't meet all of your needs, but most of them, you'll hit very. If it met some of your needs, you'll hit moderately, barely any, slightly, not at all, 1 star. Then you're going to write about your experience. This really helps teacher authors. It gives them some feedback so that they can make sure that they're creating the best resources to fit your needs. It also helps other people when they're looking at products. Next, you're going to hit submit, and that will give you some future TPT credits so that when you go to make future purchases and you're checking out, you'll have the option of applying these Teacher Pay Teacher credits that you've just earned. I hope you enjoy earning your Teacher Pay Teacher credits. Thank you for watching.